Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing, if you can't tell, a Serena Woodsen hair and makeup tutorial. And boy, I feel like her. I really do. But this is the look that I was kind of going for. It ended up being a bit more light. But once I put the jacket on, it'll like come together, but I'm not wearing a winter coat. With all of this hair, I'm like sweating already. So yeah. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this Serena Woodsen look, then just go ahead and keep watching. Obviously, I look a little crazy right now. I've been filming videos like back to back all day. My eyes, I'm like really sensitive to makeup. I don't know if you guys can tell. My face is like borderline. Gonna have a freak out, but it's okay because I just really, like every time I put makeup on, this has been happening. So I just wanna like do all of my filming in one day so that my face can no longer have to wear makeup. So anyways, that's what we're gonna be working with today. So obviously it looks really crazy. I have my extensions in, but it's gonna be going into like a really messy ponytail. So like it's fine. And then I just sectioned this part away because yeah. So basically I'm doing Serena as I already stated in the intro, but I lucked out with doing her hair because her hair is an absolute mess 24/7, but like that's kind of the look. So my extensions were previously kind of crimped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair to blend it. So now I'm gonna just kind of leave that out of the way and take down this section of hair. And I have it previously parted. Now this part, I want to leave pretty smooth. I'm literally just gonna crimp from like here down. And now I'm gonna leave those out of the way again. And you're gonna need the strongest hair tie you own. And you're gonna put all of this hair and be weary of extensions, although my headband's gonna cover this, so it's fine. And just bring it all to one side, like so. And I'm gonna kind of like mask my hair with the extensions by twisting it to the back. I'm gonna have to use a couple bobby pins because my hair doesn't even fit in a side ponytail. Take any short pieces that's sticking out from my hair and literally just tuck it in. I'm just gonna use my fingers literally for this. And let a couple hairs down. Like so. And then kind of swoop it. Voila, there's your Serena Woodsen hair. Now, if your extensions match, it'll obviously look a lot better. Now, last step. Okay, I got a smaller scarf because that one was too big. And just tie that. Okay, there's your Serena hair done. Now let's move on. Please God to makeup. This is the most high maintenance look in the world. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape, but in the shade that's like one shade maybe too dark for me. powder is gonna be too drying, so I'm gonna use my Maybelline Dream Mousse in a shade Too Dark. Then I'm gonna take some foundation that's too dark for me. This is the L'Oreal True Match, and I'm gonna use it basically as like a liquid bronzer. And I'm just gonna pop a little on my cheeks, and the rest will go on my forehead and nose. I'm gonna set that bronzer with my Too Faced powder bronzer. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to use this blush. It's the shade Dallas from Bare Minerals. I'm gonna take the goldest eyeshadow I have, and that's gonna be from my Carly Bible palette. I really love this palette. I just think it has like all the colors, neutral colors I should say, that the girl could need. And I'm just gonna take my finger and take this highlight shade and put it all over my lid. Now I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and take an orangey transition color and just pop that in the crease. And then I'm just gonna take a liquid liner and I'm just gonna flick out my lash line. The eyes be pretty open, so I'm only gonna take it slightly in. She's obviously blonder than I am, so I'm gonna take my Anastasia eyebrow in the shade Blonde. Just put that through my brows to lighten them up a bit. Not gonna lie, this looks a little ridiculous in person, this stuff, but it works really well for kind of cosplay-ish stuff. Cool. I feel like I should put some of this high-key, like, in my hair to give myself fake highlights. Okay, so that actually worked to give me like some fake highlights. Now I'm just gonna do mascara, and I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. And lastly, I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use this pencil from MAC in the shade Chicory. Oh, and by the way, I used a brown mascara just to make it look a little bit more natural. And I'm gonna take this lipstick from Victoria's Secret. It's really old, but it's a really pretty peach. It's really creamy. A little too light, so I'm gonna take just on the outer corners a darker liquid lipstick. Alright, you guys, so here is the finished hair and makeup for Serena van der Woodsen. I think it's pretty spot on. I want to fix this little hair. Okay, there. I think it's pretty spot on, actually. Yeah, so I just have on like a little white collared shirt to look kind of schoolgirl preppy, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and definitely hit that little bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I am doing Vlogmas, but I don't vlog, so I'm doing a video a day every day up until Christmas. So you definitely want to see. Got some cool content coming, and yeah, definitely also follow my social media. I post there when I upload a new video, so yeah, I'll have those linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.